for showing that solidarity. The scenes on our televisions of IDF forces attacking worshippers outside Al-Aqsa Mosque and planes bombing people in Gaza are truly shocking. Innocent lives have been lost, all because of the occupation of Palestine. And surely the way forward is quite simply this: the occupation of Palestine must end. The settlement policy must end. There must be, as we promised in our manifesto, recognition, unconditional recognition of the state of Palestine.